Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a poster on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, if you wanna make a poster, you just click on a search box icon at the top. This one, you just click on it. And in here, you can write a poster. Okay, and please waiting. And in here you can see many template for your poster. You can choose the template that you want. I wanna try to add this one, so you just click thanks. I wanna try to this one, so you just click on it. And in here you can change the text or the picture. So if you wanna change the picture, so you just click on the picture, and after this you can click on replies and choose the photo that you wanna to add. Maybe maybe on this one, so you just click on it. And if you wanna change the text, so you just click on the text and change the tag poster like this. And after this, if you wanna save the poster, so you just click on this icon, click on next and click on download and finish. So that's how to make poster on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.